Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Valentina, in case you don't know me. Today I'm going to show you how to do this hairstyle and how you can wear it 3 different ways. You can do this hairstyle in short or long hair, any length, and it's going to look beautiful. So let's get started. To start, you're going to divide your hair in the middle, and I like to put some clips in one of the sides. That way it's going to make it easier for me to work with this side without getting hair from this side in the way. You want to start taking a section in the front of your head near the hairline, and we're going to divide this section in 3 little pieces. And we're going to start braiding inside, so we're going to create a Dutch braid. Every piece is going underneath, and that's going to leave you with some texture in the braid. And then we're going to start adding little pieces of hair from each side. And you're going to continue doing the same until you reach your ear. Once you reach your ear, you want to continue braiding without adding any extra hair. I like to braid a little bit extra just to make sure that I can put my hair tight without worrying that the braid is going to untangle. And then secure it with a little elastic, and you want to secure it behind your ear, and there you have the first braid, and you want to do the same in the other side. This step is completely optional. I do like to do it. You want to take all the sides of your braid and pull them very carefully, especially if you have short hair, just to make your braid bigger and a little bit more messy. And remember, if you have a fringe like me, to be very careful in the top, don't pull them too much. And I also like to hide the elastic with a little bit of hair, but that's completely optional as well. Once you have both sides braided, then you finish with the first hairstyle, and this is the first way to wear your hair. Of course, you can wear this with your natural hair, with waves, or with straight hair. It's up to you. You can use it however you want, and it looks great every single time. For the next hairstyle, or the next way you can wear this hairstyle, I'm going to use an accessory. This is just a gold hair clip, and you only need to take these 2 sections, the ones with the braid, put them together in the back of your head and secure them with the accessory. It's that simple. I do think it looks very different, but it still looks very cute. Hairstyle, you're going to do a low ponytail or a low bun. It's up to you. And we're going to use a scarf, or in this case a scrunchie with a scarf, but you can also use just a scarf. And we're going to tie it on top of the ponytail. I do like to use a normal hair tie before putting the scarf or the scrunchie, just because I like the scrunchie to be more fluffy, but I still want my hair to be secure. And there you have it. That's a completely different way to wear this hairstyle. It still looks beautiful. You can of course leave it like this, or if you want, you can continue the braids until they reach the ponytail. And yeah. That is all. I hope you like it. I hope you enjoy it, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!